Hi there, I just wanted to do a short tutorial specifically about third grade language arts since there are a few things that are a little bit different. The first thing I want to point out is inside of the third grade Logic of English Essentials folder, which is inside the unit, I've gone ahead and pulled down the first full week of lessons, and you'll notice here that there are 5 lessons listed. The reason for that is in the regular A or B third grade class, these 2 final lessons of the week are review that's going to be happening in class. Along with that, third grade A and B track have a different IEW writing curriculum that's much lighter than the one that we're going to be using. So because of that, I will not be doing any of this essentials review in class. And I'm leaving it here for your reference. So this is just completely up to you. These lessons in every week are not required. The ones that are required are for the first 3 homeschool days, or in this case, when it's a short week, this would count as day 1, day 2, day 3 of homeschool. However, these review lessons are going to be here so that if you have a light essentials day, or if you just feel like your student could use some extra practice, they're there for your use or not. Completely up to you as the primary educator knowing what's best for your student. Another thing that I just want to point out that I have mentioned in other video, the reading lessons for third grade look very different than the fourth and fifth, and that is because there is no class lesson listed on any of these weeks. So we're going to be doing reading lessons in class that are fourth or fifth grade level, and so you are responsible for these home lessons, not for class lessons if your student happens to miss. So fourth and fifth graders, if they miss class, they have a lesson to make up. Third graders get a pass this year, and that will be something to look forward to next year as a fourth grader. So I hope that this helps clear up any confusion. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. But the main thing I just wanted to make really clear was that those extra 2 lessons that will be in the curriculum every week for essentials are not essential. They are optional.